So we're here at VW World in Stockport, our latest carbon clean centre.
Hi, my name's Chris. This is VW World. We specialise in Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda vehicles, old and new. We do MOTs, diagnostics, repair work, restorations, as you can see from the caddy behind us. We decided to be a centre because Carbon Clean give you all the support necessary to get your business up and going. They'll help you, basically give you a kickstart to get some customers in, get word out there that we're now the carbon centre of Stockport and we'll be doing all the cleans on site. We're starting to get into Carbon Clean because it doesn't use a harsh chemical, it has proven results and it's a very simple technology and easy to use. It's good for my client base, so get yourself down here and give it a go.